Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about ProfitZBuddy. Now this is a application that allows you basically to send messages to other people's YouTube accounts with the aim of spamming them with links so that you can make money. I'm going to take you through this application. I'm going to show you some things that quite frankly are quite alarming when you look at these types of applications, and also point out a few things on the sales page you need to be aware of before you go ahead and purchase anything off these types of vendors. So this comes from Al Cheeseman and Dave Kirby, and it's due to be released on the 8th of July at 10 AM Eastern. So this is built for beginners, is 100% legal and ethical. I would argue against that. You can get traffic that converts into sales. No uploading videos required. Creative Commons re-uploading is not involved. 100-day money-back guarantee, which you'll need, and world-class support included. And then you just go through this sales page, usual thing, lots and lots of financial proof here, really linking to nothing that's any kind of tangible evidence on here. And then the idea is that you pick a niche you want to get traffic in, you enter your link that you want traffic sent to, and you enjoy the traffic, and that's all there is to this. Just before I come off this sales page, guys, I do want to point this out here. This is supposed to be evidence that this is free traffic forever. If you like consistent long-term traffic, you can count on ProfitZBuddy. They're specifying this product. Quick reverse Google search, and you can do this whenever you go to sales pages, guys. Lots of times you'll see these images showing up in Profit Mailer, X Targeter, Premium X Targeter, completely different products. It's the same graphic. So just be very aware that whenever you're looking at financial results on especially these types of Warrior Plus products, it's just complete nonsense and it's only graphics, guys. There's no reality to it whatsoever. So guys, just before we jump in, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new reviews. And guys, if you're looking to start a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, this is obviously a YouTube application, so let's jump straight in here and have a look. Basically, this is the same UI as multiple other products like this these days. Billy Down and David Kirby used to work together a lot, and this is the same software they use every single time. So you have a dashboard here, you have a way to set up your social accounts here. Let me just point out a few things on the social accounts. I tried to actually set up a dummy social account on here. This is the warning I actually got in the end. Now what you're actually doing when you connect your social accounts, even if you use a dummy one, is you're getting these types of messages. So this app is not verified by Google. So this app is requesting access to sensitive information on your Google account, and until this guy here verifies it, you shouldn't be using it. So if you actually proceed here and just advance and go ahead and give it permission anyway, you're actually giving it permissions to multiple areas on your Google account. You're not just giving it permissions for the one you're using here, you're giving them permissions for your main Google account. And this is the other warning I got when I actually went to do this. It will let them get access to all of your personal data on Google, see your personal info, including any personal info you've made publicly available, see your primary Google email address, so not even the one you use to access this, and then obviously gives you access to all of the YouTube functionality. So for an application that isn't verified by Google, I wouldn't give anybody my details like this. You don't have a clue who the developers are of this product and what they're using your data for. So they wouldn't let me connect anyway. You're supposed to connect your social accounts here. On the automation tools, you've got a channel manager here, and it allows you to like and comment other people's channels. So you create a campaign and you can select a channel there. You can type a keyword, and whenever that keyword appears on this channel, it will spring an auto comment that you can also make in this software. So you can then go ahead and hit that auto comment. It gives you some target keywords, and then it will go ahead and auto comment when anybody goes to that channel and puts that keyword in. That's the idea here. The trouble is, this is obviously automated, and this is not the way to market on YouTube. YouTube is a platform where people comment on videos, and any kind of spam comments like this will just immediately be either filtered out by YouTube, or the owner of the video will actually delete them. What you're really banking on is that nobody notices your odd spam comment come in here, and then somehow they click on your link and then go over to your latest greatest Warrior Plus product that you're going to promote. And the whole strategy is just really, really poor. So that's the idea of the channel manager. Then you have the templates manager here is where you go ahead and build those auto replies and auto comment templates. So when they're talking about that 1, 2, 3, basically what they're saying is you can come along here and you can actually build a comment into this platform, auto reply template, and then you message a generic reply in there with your affiliate link, and you create a template, and that's what would be posted on other people's comments. So again, you've got no idea who you're actually commenting to. You're just randomly putting links in there that you're hoping somebody's going to come back and actually click. It's really, really poor. Now, if you look on YouTube itself, you actually got all of the ability to do this anyway on YouTube. But if you're going to actually work on YouTube and actually try and build a business with YouTube, this is completely the wrong way to do it. If I go to the search engine here, you can search for videos, and the idea is you would search for these videos, and these are the videos you could go ahead and spam. So if I just put affiliate marketing here, you can find all the affiliate marketing related videos on here, and the idea is you just go ahead and you use these videos to spam. But if you want to come and find videos on YouTube that you actually can comment on in the right way, all you need to do is that. So why do you need to buy an extra piece of software to do that? All this is, guys, is a piece of software that is unverified by Google to create spam for YouTube. And spam on YouTube will be filtered out very, very quickly. So as you can see, you don't really need this tool. And if you can do the same thing with a channel, you can go ahead and find a channel or a playlist and do the same thing with a playlist. But at the end of the day, all this is doing is creating spam for YouTube. There's an auto reply function here. It's the same thing. You can go ahead and create a auto reply functionality on this. Oh, there's a rank tracking thing here, and again, I don't really know what the point of this one is. If you put in a keyword here and you put in an ID, you can see the rank that is. So if I just view this report, all it's giving me is very, very basic ranks, which again, it's not really giving me anything useful. And then you have a link wheel here, which again has given me absolutely no use whatsoever. So guys, I would avoid this like the plague, unless you want to be somebody who starts creating spam on YouTube, and all of the YouTube channels will stop the spam anyway. If you start pasting links into other people's YouTube channels, the system itself will remove those links, or they'll be flagged up to the user and they'll be deleted anyway. So you're not going to get anywhere with this. This isn't a long-term thing. This is something that you may get the odd click here and there, but the reality is it's not a real business. So guys, that's my view on ProfitZBuddy. There is some upsells here. The front end is $17. OTO 1, the unlimited version of this, is $37 down to $17. OTO 2, the automation, is $37 down to $27. OTO 3 is $197 down to $97. OTO 4 is $47 down to $27. OTO 5 is $197 down to $77. OTO 6 is the reseller version, $37 down to $27. And OTO 7, the traffic saver pack, $27 down to $17. And then you've got OTO 8 here, which is $37 down to $17. And I will actually paste these in to the description in case you may be interested. So guys, if I was you, I'd keep well away from this. Any of these softwares that are basically getting you to spam YouTube are very, very short term, very quick hit. Nothing will ever come of these types of softwares. The fact this isn't verified by Google, and the fact that the vendors are just completely dishonest about how much they're making with this application, means I'm going to give this a 0 out of 10. Very poor piece of software, and something I'd really advise you to keep away from. So my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new reviews. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.